In a move that has sparked mixed reactions, Pitt Grammar School, an all-girls institution with a rich history, is set to bid farewell to its iconic pink shirt as it embraces a new era of inclusivity. The school's decision to introduce a mixed-gender policy from September 2026 has ignited a debate, with some parents and students expressing concerns about the change. The pink shirt, a symbol of the school's heritage, is being replaced with a pale blue collared top and a blue and pink striped tie, reflecting the school's commitment to a unified, gender-neutral uniform. This transformation is not just about the color of the shirt, it's about the school's evolution and its efforts to create a more inclusive environment. However, the change has not been without controversy. Some argue that the pink shirt holds sentimental value and represents a significant part of the school's identity. Dame Sandra Rhodes, a renowned fashion icon and former Fort Pitt pupil, acknowledges the sentiment but also recognizes the need for modernization. The school's new uniform, while more affordable, has raised questions about tradition and the role of gender in school attire. The debate extends beyond the uniform, touching on broader issues of gender equality and the evolving nature of education. As the school prepares for this significant transition, it invites discussion and encourages parents and students to share their thoughts. The question remains, how can a school balance tradition and progress while fostering an inclusive environment for all?